Hey guys, Noise here with today's daily recap. So it's a tiny green day for this October small account TDA challenge. So as you can see, the account size went up by a little. I think it was 70 cents. So the account is up 0.12%. And you might be wondering, like, how come I'm trading such small shares? But to make this small account challenge realistic, if you are trading below, as in if you are trading with a cash account, you have the unsettled cash area. So I'm only left with like 338. So unless there's some really high quality setup, I'm not gonna go big on it, but just use it to focus the fundamentals. After all of this, I'll be trading along in my main account at IBKR. So I won't be showing those since this is a TDA small account challenge. So for first ticker ADTX, I took a position at the pre-market. It had some news. As you can see, this candle it went up from the news, then it's consolidating a little, so I decided to add in here for the break. I added just 3 size at 188 and I sold the pop 2 of it. Again got in on the news at 183 here, so yep, I sold it first pop at 188, then the other candle I decided to let it play. However, from the level 2 it looks like it's gonna sell, which is why I got out the remaining positions at 192 here, and then it dipped. Then it had a nice open, but I'm not gonna chase any of it. So that's ADTX offer news play. I didn't add the news here since I had the news on moomoo. I'm using moomoo for charting, so yeah, I think this is the news. And then the next will be MARPS, which had a nice open. I think it's 70%, but it came back down. So added here at this candle, thinking it could be a pullback, which it is. So it's sum of A, B, C, D. I don't know, like this could be continuation. So I added here on this pullback at 817, sorry. 813 was my main IPKR's position. Then at the first pop, I got out at 824, 7 cent move. Pretty decent, nothing too much. Then same thing, I got out here because the level 2 wasn't looking that great, which is why it failed. And then bounce off the VWAP, but I didn't want to chase any of this. So just two really high quality trades and not of huge account size. Since I want to preserve this amount, if let's say there's really some nice hot up plays coming, then I can put this value to better use. I'll be trading rest of them at my main account. So for this small account challenge, I want to make it as realistic as possible. I'm not gonna just put $500 in one trade. Then that basically locks me out for the whole week. I would say 3 days, since the unsettled cash takes T2 days for it to come back to buying power. So yeah, just these two tickers. MAPS did hit around 70% plus here. However, as you can see, it is still really choppy. Today the crude's having highs, so there's also tickers like INDO. Yeah, pretty nice open as you can see, but I'm not gonna chase it since I don't like the topping tails at the 5 minute. So basically it's just these two tickers today. As you can see, just one trade here and then one trade here, and then I'm done for the day. Most important is to have green days. Like it might seem like a mere 70-cent day profit from PNL, but if you look at the big picture, it's 0.12% of your account size. If every day you're able to get 0.12% of your account size, a month is like 2.4%. So if you can grow your account 2.4% per month, that's extremely good. And this is my advice for newer traders. Do not, you do see, like, even from my accounts, I have days where I have like $1,000 green day, but those are because of the larger account size. So if your account have $500, and you gotta take the factor of a cash account, unless you're trading with IBKR SG or something, which do not have the PDT to follow, which is why they don't have all these issues. So if you're doing that, then that's a different ball game. So for here, if you just focus on your greens, your big payday will definitely come. If you are able to average like let's say today is 0.12%, that's 2.4% account size, and a year you'll be getting way much more. So if you can focus on that, that would be much better. Focus on the fundamentals. So just a short daily recap here, just 2 trades, and as you can see, they are still going for ADTX. However, I'm not going to chase since it's 10, and it's my prime trading hour. I realized from recent trading journal is 8 to 10. So after 10, I'm not gonna place in any trades, and the market isn't that hot either, so no point chasing or forcing any low quality setup. Like I mentioned before, if it's like trading is like fart. If you have to force it, it's probably shit. So just gonna end my daily recap here, and very thank you to you guys for those that are always watching, and do drop a like and drop a comment, and maybe you can share what trades did you guys trade today. So I'll probably be shutting TDA off and just look at my main IBKR and see if there's any good opportunity. I also traded ADTX and MARPS on my main account, however I had slight better views. So yep, that's all for today's daily recap. As usual, stay safe, trade safe, peace.